Rocket Lab returned to the spotlight after it was selected to support hypersonic test programs with the U.S. Air Force and the UK Ministry of Defense. The U.S. Air Force selected Rocket Lab under the Enterprise-Wide Agile Acquisition Contract, EWALC, a $46 billion IDIQ contract designed for rapid acquisition of innovative technologies, engineering services, and technical solutions that develop new capabilities for the Air Force. Similarly, across the pond, the UK's Ministry of Defense has its Hypersonic Technologies and Capability Development Framework, a £1 billion framework to rapidly develop advanced hypersonic capabilities. The company's HASTE vehicle, a suborbital variant of its Electron rocket, will be used for high-speed test missions under both agreements. This gives Rocket Lab the ability to bid for further contracts tied to the two governments' expanding hypersonic initiatives. In addition, Rocket Lab was tapped to participate in the U.S.'s Enterprise-Wide Agile Acquisition Contract, a $46 billion project that runs through 2031. Despite recent market volatility, Rocket Lab keeps attracting optimism in the aerospace industry, as it was included in Phase 3, Lane 1 of the National Security Space Launch Program, NSSL 3.1. This umbrella contract could potentially award Rocket Lab up to $5.6 billion worth of contracts over 5 years, translating to additional annual revenues of approximately $220 million. On top of that, Rocket Lab's introduction of its customizable standardized array, StarArray, of next-generation solar arrays means it can better cater to the differing power needs of satellites in any orbital conditions. StarArray can be adjusted to meet satellite power requirements, ranging from around 100 watts up to more than 2,000 watts, using Rocket Lab's high-efficiency quadruple junction solar cells, enabling customers to choose from pre-engineered solutions with short lead times and lower costs. For more on Rocket Lab and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.